If we keep going around in circles and doing the same old thing for the same old thing for the same old thing, same does not create change. Change creates change. So a little helpful exercise for you right now, I get out a pen and paper. On one side of the thing, write down the identity that you might be currently operating from, or the identity that you don't want to operate from anymore. How do they think? How do they speak? How do they act? Once you do that, I want you to do it on the other side of the sheet, the identity that you do want. Just write success identity. And underneath that, how do they speak? How do they act? How do they think? How do they show up? And you can imagine if you operated from that place, the results are going to be better. The results are going to be different, right? Change creates change. And so you can operate and you can have fun with this, right? You can operate from the place that you want to operate from. And a great way to do this is start to think about people who have done what you're doing. How would they think? How would they operate? I love this because, again, inside our program, we bring on past members who recovered, who are living their life, who are kicking goals. We bring them back in and we do masterminds with them. And I love it because we pick their brain and I said, guys, this is just so valuable. You are literally getting first-hand wisdom and knowledge from someone who has been through what you're going through, but is actually where you want to be. So take note. This is gold. Like if you get the opportunity to pick someone's brain about somewhere where you want to be and they're doing that, you better show up. You better ask good questions. What did you do? How did you shift? What did you change? How do you think now? All these things really, really matter. And if you're not asking good questions, you're just going to go around in circles. But remember, change creates change. And so, I love the saying, success leaves clues. And so find the people that are doing really, really well. Notice what they do. Notice how they act. Notice how they behave. And then start to do it. Start to act from that place. How would she think? How would they think? How would he think? And then do it.